Here we have the V11 Authority Firewall, an AI-assisted control layer with deterministic enforcement for agentic workflows. Its purpose is to give an AI agent meaningful freedom without giving uncontrolled authority. It sits between an outside agent and the executor, and the agent may propose an action without automatically receiving authority to execute it. Our demo uses a synthetic paper trading example, but the same pattern could protect other sensitive workflows as well. First, the firewall treats an agent request as untrusted. It converts it into canonical JSON containing the schema version, symbol site, quantity, and integer send price, and computes a SHA-256 request content fingerprint. This supports integrity and exact comparison, but is not permission to execute yet. The surrounding agent workflow application separately supplies or verifies trusted runtime context. The firewall then combines both into a broader proposal identity and evaluated scope fingerprint, binding the exact action to its exact context. But there is still no authorization because at this point no owner message has yet been received. So owner silence does not give approval, and even human phrases like looks good or yes may remain ambiguous because they could express satisfaction rather than a precise instruction to execute, are blocked by the firewall. GPT 5.6 has a separate role within the firewall as a proposal analyst. It can examine the owner's message and produce a structured authorization candidate, showing the proposed bindings and any unresolved problems. But GPT 5.6 itself cannot grant authority, adopt the action candidate, or execute it. This public demo is deterministic and offline, but separately we successfully tested GPT 5.6 role through the official OpenAI responses API. GPT produces a non-authoritative structured action candidate that is still not authorized by the firewall because it has to be further evaluated in a structured way. Now, if the owner says approve this exact proposal, and then we evaluate the response, the firewall outputs fully bound authorization fields for review. So here they are. But even then, the owner must explicitly adopt or reject that exact candidate. The authorization must still pass then a final independent gate. So this gate freshly receives the trusted evaluation time and current hold state and rechecks integrity, expiry, validity, and all the exact bindings. Codex was our main development tool. Wrote the code, did the tests and the demo, and the final regression contains 351 past tests. This demo uses per action owner adoption to make the authority boundary visible, but a production system could instead use authenticated bounded mandates. The principle is an agent may propose actions and the AI may analyze, but authority must remain exact, explicit, independently evaluated, and bound to the precise action via deterministic gates of the firewall.